In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. It should be in Samsung folder. When you find it, click on it. Then choose while using the app or only this time. Choose Allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on this same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this one, and if you wish to end it and save it, on the square one. Now name your recording however you want to and click on Save to save it. In order to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select Delete All over here, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now, in order to manage more recording settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, click Settings, and operate all of them however you wish to. For example, you can change recording quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!